ready. This is Tabish. Oi. And this is a very good concept here in Sweden. You actually take your bowl and make salad. So there is a lot of different options you can choose and mix yourself. Yeah. And then you have some protein options. You have cheese, and you have a chicken, you have a fish, you have a shrimps, egg, and then you can choose sauces, and you can also choose some of these and to eat with, and then you close it, and when you pay they actually normally do the when you close it they actually, so when you bring it to the casa for the payment, they weight it and charge you accordingly. So the price is oh yeah, so if you make one good meal, it can cost you around from 40 to 60 crowns. So now Sana is making
Vilken pasta vill du ha?
a salad for Ushna.
Spaghetti?
Nej.
Pasta?
No, then pasta.
Ja.
So Ushna loves it. It's very good. It's a very good, popular nowadays during a lunch time. Yeah, so that was something called Picadeli. Picadeli. This little fish shopping. This is a salmon. Very nice tosh.
You fish.
Tunnel. Yeah.
Next.
These are some foods. They're ready to eat. No, Ushna.
Baba.
No. This was Tabish. So please like this video and if you share my channel and subscribe my channel.
Ägg är det.
Egg भी लेना है?
Nej. Jag.
Fish नहीं है भाई, varmt rakt.
Do you have fish?
Nej,
क्या?
Ja, så de är också, den är kycklingbulle. Ja.
नहीं है.
Close it down.